Beautiful moving people, welcome back to a new video. I'm on a morning walk to stretch this. Oh, good. The hood thought for me. It's getting warm. So yeah, on a morning walk to stretch these legs out. And okay, today we're gonna be driving off the Gorafe. Need to run some errands, how they say. And yeah, see where we land today. Let's go. Okay, let's see if this baby starts. Okay, the baby's working. And I'm happy, as you see. It took a bit of time to start, but hey, that's good. So let's go. Slowly, slowly. Bye bye Gorafe. See you on the next. See you in the next time. Okay, time for the first break. Coffee's out. So I'm going in this beautiful restaurante. I'm gonna get myself coffee. Okay, ready to move on. Also met some local people from here, and it's a fire tag today. How do you say? Holiday, public holiday. Anyways, all the best. Kalimera Jafada Chaimbulu Strinambro da Buladi. Okay, classic Petragis. Forgot that it's a holiday. Everything is shut. At least one thing less to do today, I guess. I'm gonna have a break, I think. I'll explain to you in a second. So here we are. It's an industrial area. Just for some context, this is where I spent some days last year. It was a situation that the exhaust pipe got ripped in half. I tried to assist first aid, but that didn't work as I thought, and I found a place here where I could like weld it. And yeah, this is where I spent some days. Very for the one or the other uninspiring, but hey, because I didn't get to do it at the same day, I thought, why drive around now and just stay here, work the days. Anyways, I have to work, and yeah, so I'm gonna take a break now, basically have a rest, maybe some lunch, and we'll try and get to do the second thing it is necessary to do, which is fill up the water tank and the water reserves, but one after the other. That was a nice lunch. Let's pack this up and try and finish the next mission of the day, which is to fill our water reserves. So let's check where we might find some water in the area. Also, this baby here, he didn't manage the cold. And then I remember that it also needs some water because the leaves look a bit maramel, not juicy as they used to be. Let's see if we can find the Fontana to get some water. Usually for these situations I check on the apps to find stuff like this because they have it. Okay, it's near. Okay, we found the third option, which is on our side of the road, because so we're going to be taking that. Over the past days I felt the kind of urge that I would like to head back towards the sea. We've been more than about 2 weeks, a bit more, inside the countryside, which amazing, it's nice, I loved it, but I would like to see the sea again. So the idea for today, hence the name of the video, first of all, yeah, we don't have a spot to park yet, so it's a bit of a, we see what we're gonna be doing later, but the sun is still shining and a lot of blah 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 blah. The idea is to drive towards Malaga, somewhere there in the area, and then spend the next days there. Yeah, but first we do the water. Let's go. Or before we start, let's just give these babies some water while we are at it. Oh, here. It's a bit hard to water them. I don't know if I should do it directly on the plant itself. I mean, a bit is not bad, isn't it? Let's give it some water. Got the sunburn, this one. The last days it was like in the shade most of the day. I don't know. I'm trying. If you have any tips for me, please let me know. Yeah, the only thing that I see a difference is the ones in the back, they're like more greener in a way. Or maybe because they're in the sun. Love to hear from you. So, water on! Okay, friends, here it is. We found the fountain. The Fontana of life. Let's fill our water up. Okay, beautiful moving people. We have filled the reserva, which are these, let's say, standard plastic bottles, 1.5 liters. And the filter. Also, I have been using the filter, this one. Like, it's pretty easy because I don't have a built-in one, and last year I wanted to like get something to at least filter something out, and it's been doing a super job. And it's also a canister, I don't know, cane. Yeah. So yeah, it does the thing. Love this spot here and the way that it's been done, because this is like a pressure valve, and it's not like the one you open, because I've been at places where people just leave it open. Anyhow, let me show you. This is the reserva. let me show you how I fill the water tank underneath at situations like this. Oh, I got myself a good old garden thing. I don't know how to call it. Canne, gießkanne, and that's how we're going about. Okay, that was it. We filled it. We put 9 canisters. So we have. So exactly, I had to measure it calculate it because I was a bit off. But yeah, we have roughly 55 liters in the tank now. Let's say with the spill, maybe 50. I mean, okay, I didn't spill that much, but let's say this thing, the valve got like 1.5 liters each time out, and we have about 10 bottles inside the car of 1.5 liters. So I guess that brings us to 65 liters, let's say. We have refilled with live source, life energy, water. For all you kids out there, drink your water, it's very good. So that's it. Let me stop being stupid and let's go. So we are heading towards the sun this time because behind the mountains is Malaga. And also, you see all these olives, where the eye can see. Okay, closing up and go. We're on the slow lane, we're on the slow lane. Lau Lau is what is my name. And now down the hill we go, but we're taking it slow. Okay, we're taking the Catifora to Malaga. How do you say, the way down to Malaga. I'm driving very kind of slowly because I don't want to stress the brakes. Until now everything is good. It's how do you say, it's a kind of highway serpentine through the hills, and probably in the next let's say real time 15-20 minutes we'll be seeing Malaga. Okay, Catifora, here we come. Beautiful moving people, I have to shift gear and welcome you to Malaga. We're driving down the hill. We made it. The sun is going down. Very romantic time to see all the houses. I mean, it's nice. The big city is always nice. I enjoyed it. But our way is another. So let's find the spot to stop and yeah, and kind of figure out where we're gonna stay tonight. Circus is in the house. Beautiful moving people, we made it to a city, like a small city after Malaga, called Torremolinos. I just threw the spot just to have something to park. Of course the sea is there. We managed, we are here. The only thing is at this spot, I mean it was anyways random, so I'm not probably gonna be staying here. It's like directly in front of the airport of Malaga, so every 5 minutes. And today it's also full moon, so lange Rede kurzer Sinn, we made it, we are here, it's warmer, oh it's a bit windy, oh very nice, very nice. The sea is there, and we're gonna search for another spot. Let's see. I opened the chips. So after about 10 minutes of short research, I think I found a spot. It's a bit further away, around 30 kilometers, but I think it will be better for the moment. So a little bit more chips and we go. Okay, beautiful moving people. We found our spot. The moon is shining. We are here. We found the spot. It went also a bit faster than thought, due to the nature of Helix. There is not a lot of options, let's say. So we are now around a bit after Fuengirola or something like that, and we are also overlooking the sea back there. Do you see? Anyways, we made it. The night is coming and it will be nice, and I will be leaving you at this point. Thanks a lot for sure for tuning in until this moment. You are the bombs, and keep up the good stuff you're doing, and I'll catch you on the next video. Don't forget to give this thumbs up if you like this stuff, and Yoba. Cheers.